Volkswagen is allegedly examining the feasibility of rolling out a pumped-up version of the upcoming Golf, which will sit at the top of the 8th generation lineup. Autocar claims that this model could be dubbed the Golf R+, and while it has yet to be given the green light for production, the German car manufacturer has reportedly been thinking about putting such a vehicle into production for a number of years. With the hot hatch market moving forward with incredible pace, a Golf R+ could give Volkswagen a rival to the upcoming Mercedes-AMG A45. Initially, the 8th generation Golf family will be topped out by the Golf R, which, in its new form, will use a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with around 320 horsepower, but the unit can definitely be tuned to deliver more oomph. In 2014, Volkswagen unveiled the R400 concept, complete with a 395 horsepower and 332 pounds-to-foot, 450 Nm version of this powertrain. The same engine was also used by the Audi Quattro Sport concept, where it was lifted to 414 horsepower. It is reported that Volkswagen put the project on hold due to the Dieselgate scandal, but last year the automaker's head of development, Frank Welsh, allegedly decided to re-evaluate such a model. As you would expect from a high-performance Golf without a GTI badge, any potential Golf R+ will pair its engine with an all-wheel drive system and a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Volkswagen could work its magic on this transmission and develop a drift mode similar to what the new A45 will have. With all this being said, Volkswagen R Division Chief Josh Coulter recently said a 400 horsepower Golf R wasn't on the cards, despite confirming that prototypes had indeed been tested. Thus, unless the powers that be had a change of heart, being approved for production doesn't seem very likely.